everyone, welcome back to my channel. So 2 weeks ago I had uploaded a 2021 luxury wishlist video here on my channel, and I do have an unboxing for you guys today. It's from Louis Vuitton, and if you have watched that wishlist video, you might know that there was nothing on that wishlist that was from Louis Vuitton. So this is a little bit of an impulse purchase. And I had expected myself to stay pretty close to my wish list this year. Of course, I didn't expect to get everything on there, and I kind of left room to deviate from it, but I didn't think that I would kind of go off track so early on in the year. But yeah, I'm going to unbox this with you guys. I haven't actually seen this item yet, so I'm going to unbox this and tell you guys why I decided to get this. So let's get into this video. So I'm usually not the type of person that buys limited edition items in the sense of it being a holiday release or something like that. So every single year, Louis Vuitton does their Christmas animation items, and yeah, they're really cute, but I never felt like I needed to have it in my collection. And then every single year after Christmas, they always do something for Lunar New Year or Chinese New Year, and up until this, I also never felt like I wanted it in my collection. So I think we all know that social media can definitely influence you to buy things. And in this case, I wouldn't have even known that this item existed if it wasn't for Instagram. So I was scrolling through my feed one day, and at first I saw a photo of this item in a different color. And yeah, it was really pretty, but I had no idea how I was going to wear it. So I kind of just brushed it off as one of those things that I thought was cute, but just wasn't for me. And then I saw another photo a couple days later of the same item in this color that I purchased, and then something was triggered in my mind and I suddenly really wanted it. But as with anything that is limited edition from Louis Vuitton, it basically is sold out right away. So by the time you see a photo of it on Instagram, it's already been completely bought up. So I thought, yeah, no, I missed my chance, so whatever, right? So one random day, I was for some reason up at 6 a.m. in the morning, and I was browsing the Louis Vuitton website, and I saw that it said this was placed in cart, and I immediately tried to check out on my phone, but I wasn't able to check out for whatever reason. So I was crazy enough to turn on my computer and buy it from there. So here it is. It didn't get canceled on me. So inside the box, it seems like they put all the ribbon and everything inside. I guess, I don't know. I've never gotten a package from their online website that was, I guess, properly packaged. So inside here, it's wrapped in tissue paper. So I think I've given a lot of hints to what this is already. So inside the tissue paper, I think this is gonna be really cute. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. Look at this little cow on here. Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. And it's sitting on a little Louis Vuitton trunk. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. Okay, so the other end of this is also the same little cow. And then the other side, this is so adorable. Oh my gosh, let me show you this side since it doesn't have the tag. So there's also all these little tiny cows all throughout. And then there's a little trunk here, more little cows, and just goes all across. I am so in love with this. This looks so adorable. And so at first I had seen the scarf or this bandeau in the pink color, and that was just a little bit too girly for me. But then when I saw this one, I thought it was so fitting for Lunar New Year because of the red. And for some reason, I think red is a little bit more wearable than pink is. So yeah, I decided to get this and it was 195 US dollars. If there was a price increase on this, please do not let me know because I don't want to know that I could have bought this before the price increase if I had known about it earlier. So one of the reasons I wanted to get this was because I was looking at this Lady Dior bag. It was in, I think it's like a new color for them. It's called Poppy Red, and it was in the My Lady Dior size, and it had the lacquered hardware on it. And I thought that was such a pretty bag, and I really thought that if I got that bag, I would tie this around the handle, even though, you know, it's like mixing brands, but I don't really mind that at all. And luckily, I didn't go crazy with my impulse shopping because one item is definitely more than enough. So I saw that bag and instantly I wanted it. And I was truly thinking about buying that bag, even though that is also not something that was on my wish list. And I think I kind of snapped out of it because I realized that I didn't actually want something in the My Lady Dior size. I actually wanted something in the mini size, but I really liked the lacquered hardware. So I decided not to get the bag, but you know, I have this bandeau and I need to have a use for it, right? So I was kind of looking at what bags I have, and I actually thought that since I have my little Speedy Nano over here that is a little bit plain, I must say, when I'm wearing it in the winter because it is quite small. So I thought that maybe I could tie this around the end of the shoulder strap or something like that, and that would kind of make it a little bit more substantial so you can see it a little bit more. I hope I'm making some sort of sense. And this scarf is actually kind of stiffer than I thought it would be compared to the Twilly that I own from Hermes, as well as the Mitsa I own from Dior. This is actually a lot stiffer of silk, so just wanted to mention that. But I think that would make it so that it ties a really nice bow. And I am always so bad at doing this on camera because I think I might be nervous. So here's what it kind of looks like on the side of the bag, on the strap. And yeah, it does not look great at all right now. But yeah, I thought this was something that I could do with this little scarf. So it's not, you know, one of those collector's pieces that you never actually end up using at all. So yeah, this is so super adorable. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed this little unboxing, and if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below telling me what you think of this little scarf. Do you think it was an absolute waste of money? If you feel that way, I definitely wouldn't mind knowing. But yeah, this is the end of this video, and I hope you subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on new videos every single week. And I'll leave 2 videos up on the screen for you to watch next, so I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.